Hi guys, it's Chris with City Girl Homestead. Time for Sunday breakfast. Tom's getting stuff around. We always start our laundry in the morning on Sundays. So what we're having today, I'm going to post the recipe, but we're going to do it a little bit different so that we can use things that we have at our house to make it work. So those chicken nuggets that I got from the Amish store, I thawed them out and I cut them in half. So I've got those in the oven. Then we'll be right back and we'll get to the next steps. Well, hi Tom.
Hello.
How are you?
Tired.
He's been working on my niece's furnace all weekend and they can't fix it, so they're gonna have to get a new one. So he's been busy. Not getting stuff done around here either, huh?
No, not either.
Oh well. Anyway, so we've got the chicken in the oven. I've got a big bag of hash browns over there, and you need to season them up.
Oh, season.
Oh, season. Remember, they're potatoes, so quite a bit.
Yeah, I know.
We figure whatever potatoes we don't use, I'm sure he can eat for breakfast tomorrow. What do you think? Probably. That should be good for now. That should be good for now. And while he's doing that, I'm going to take my home canned sausage gravy and we're going to put that in a pan. Got a little bit at the bottom. Don't want to do that. That'd be waste.
Don't want to waste no sausage gravy.
No.
Almost soon.
I know, right? And then I'm going to crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Oh, we forgot to try that thing.
Your egg cracker, yeah. You try that.
Maybe for you, but that looks like too much work to me. I seen it and I had to try it.
Now you try it and you don't like it.
I know.
I seen it and I thought I might like it too. Maybe I won't like it either.
Very well could be.
Maybe you just not used it right. Doesn't look like it.
Alright, so we got the chicken done. I'm going to turn this on. We're just waiting for the potatoes to kind of brown up a little bit. They're giving Tom a hard time, aren't they, Tom?
Yeah.
So I'm going to get these eggs whisked up. Alrighty. I don't see any whole eggs in there left, do you? Me neither. Now I put some salt and pepper in there. Sorry this wasn't a dinner video last night, but with us eating at the Chinese and then he had to go over to my niece's house, he wouldn't have been here to eat dinner anyway.
Nope.
Alrighty. So I'm going to cook up my eggs. And we're going to heat up the gravy. We're going to get all this stuff heated up. Try to get those potatoes browned up, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so now the first thing we're going to do is, go ahead, you want to put, well, bring it over here. I don't think I told you what it was. Country fried chicken. Put it in the middle. Here, you just put it on there and I'll spread it out. How's that? For some reason, they just didn't brown for them. So, we'll have to deal with it, what we do.
Brown hash browns.
Yeah, they are.
They call them hash brown, but they're not hash brown, they're hash whites.
That's not true.
They're hash whites. You don't want a brown one, they gotta be hash whites.
Okay, so now we want to put eggs over that. Just like so. We could have put these in bowls, but we decided to just put it around plates. I think it'd be easier. All right. Now we need the chicken.
I'll hold it, you dump it all down.
How about you just bring it over here?
Oh, good, now.
It shouldn't be hot anymore. Just slide it right, sit it down.
Testing.
You're just testing. And then we're gonna put the chicken on top. You could get a thing and loosen them up for me.
You want a spatula for me?
There's spatulas right there.
Yep, I'm getting them.
I don't even think, never mind, I don't need it. I don't need it. Well, maybe. These are still quite hot, but that's okay.
There, I fixed.
There you
Peach
fixed.
Peach bowl.
Now we're gonna take a little bit of cheese. Sounds like a lot of dishes for me.
Yeah.
Now the gravy goes over top.
You have a ladle for that? Probably does, so.
Whatever you want to do, honey.
One more dish.
He doesn't care because he doesn't do the dishes.
That's right.
Kind of spread it all the way around.
I put them away.
All right, do
But I
the
don't
next
do-
one.
I'm gonna put everything on there first.
Just spread it around.
I'm going to. I'm just making sure there's enough for everybody, you see. Plenty there. Just want to make sure that everybody gets the same amount.
Sounds like a plan.
I don't have to watch a Lions game today.
Nope.
They played Thursday. And they squeaked by.
Alrighty. So we're gonna finish this up and we're gonna meet you at the table. Take a look at that. Looks yummy to me. We'll be right back. Okie dokie, there's breakfast. I seen that and I'm like, we have to do that, but I didn't have all the other stuff. And I didn't add hot sauce to it like it said because I thought it was too early in the morning for hot sauce.
I agree.
What do you think, Jack?
It was very good.
What do you think, Tom?
What?
So it's a chicken breakfast bowl, something like that.
About chicken breakfast bowl, yeah, boring. Geez, maybe Kentucky Fried Chicken will make this.
I don't think they're open for breakfast.
We'll rate the royalty though.
So pretty good.
Whatever.
Alrighty. So we'll be back for supper. Obviously, it's going to be a turkey leftover thing. But you guys have a blessed day. Be a blessing. Bye, Tom.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Jack.
Bye.
You guys have a great day.